Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to record game sound only on OBS. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To do this, you can configure your audio settings with OBS to capture only the game's audio. And here are the general steps to do this. Step 1. Launch the OBS Studio on your PC. Step 2. In the OBS Studio main window, go ahead and click on Settings in the bottom right. Step 3. In the Settings window, go to the Audio tab. Step 4. Under the Audio tab, you'll find several options related to audio settings. Desktop audio device. Choose the audio device that corresponds to your game sound. This is typically your default playback device. Desktop audio. Check the box for Enabled to enable desktop audio. Optionally, you can set the audio monitoring to disable Windows audio ducking to prevent hearing the desktop audio through your speakers or headphones. Step 5. Go ahead and click Apply to apply the changes, and then click OK to close the settings window. Step 6. In the main OBS Studio window, click on the plus icon in the Sources section. Choose the Game Capture or Window Capture to capture your game. Step 7. Follow the on-screen prompts. Ensure that the Capture Audio Only option isn't checked if available. Step 8. Adjust the position and size of the game capture source within your scene as needed. Step 9. Go ahead and click Start Recording in the bottom right to begin recording your game, including the game sound. And important to take note, if you only want to record the game sound and not your microphone, ensure that microphone audio source is disabled or muted in OBS. OBS may have updates or changes, so it's recommended to check the official OBS documentation or support resources for the latest information. By following these steps, you should be able to record the game sound only during your recording sessions in OBS. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.